Tired of struggling with messy cuts and broken 3D prints? Introducing the Hanboost C1 Ultrasonic Cutter, the game changer for creators of all levels. With 40,000 vibrations per second, this isn't your grandpa's hobby knife. We're talking surgical precision, effortlessly slicing through even the toughest materials. From delicate paper models to stubborn 3D print supports, the Hanboost C1 handles it all. 3 power modes give you ultimate control, while intelligent auto-tracking adjustment ensures perfectly smooth cuts every time. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just pure creative freedom. Imagine removing supports in seconds, refining your 3D prints with ease, and bringing your most ambitious projects to life faster than ever before. The Hanboost C1 makes it a reality. And it's incredibly portable. Weighing just 205 grams, this wireless wonder fits easily in your pocket or bag, perfect for taking your creativity on the go. Text overlay, limited time offer. But that's not all. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive bundle, including 24 extra blades, absolutely free. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your creative process. Text overlay. Click the link below to order yours now. Click the link below to order your Hanboost Ultrasonic Cutter today. Supplies are limited, so don't wait. Unlock your creative potential and experience the difference.